Hi guys, I'm really glad you're tuning in with me today. Hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. I'm on a road trip through Switzerland for a week. Now I'm at the Mulholland with a fantastic view on the lake. So I'll be traveling through Switzerland, many different beautiful places with a camper van, sleeping in remote locations. So I'm sure it's going to be an awesome adventure, and I'll share some beautiful scenery with you. And I hope you enjoy these videos that are going to come, because I'll also be sharing some insights, cryptocurrency insights that I've learned along the way since I've been in the crypto space quite a while. And in today's video I want to share with you my strategy that I use to create a cryptocurrency portfolio, and for me it worked pretty well over the last few years, and hopefully with these insights you can also build a strategy, cryptocurrency portfolio strategy that works for you. Let's talk about how you should structure your portfolio. Now also let's forget that cryptocurrency asset class is very risky in itself. I think it's very important when investing in cryptocurrency that you allocate a larger position to more risk-free projects. That would be Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then afterwards you can dive into a little bit riskier, more volatile projects, which would be mid-cap. That would be like 500 million to 5 billion. Then afterwards what you can also do is have some like many people like to call them shitcoins as project, hoping that they will 100 or 1000x, but the likelihood that these will moon is very, very low. I think one of the most important aspects of investing in cryptocurrency, especially with the volatile nature of cryptocurrency, is to leave all your emotions of fear and greed outside. Do not touch it, because if you do, you're going to make a lot of losses. You're going to buy high and sell low. Another thing that's very important is to diversify. Like I mentioned before, you've got large cap coins, mid cap coins and small cap coins. Make sure you've got a very broad portfolio with heavy weighting on large cap coins, as the volatility is going to be a lot lower and the chance that they're going to perform is pretty high. Even though they might not have the biggest gains, they might not have 100x, overall the average is probably going to be in the green, which is great. Now I've got quite a few examples. A friend of mine in 2017, he decided to go all in on one project. Instead of diversifying and also buying some Bitcoin, he just bought one certain coin. He was really hyped about it. He was only talking about that coin. In the end, that coin didn't perform well at all, and I had a pretty decent position in Bitcoin at the time, and I diversified with different other projects, and I had a better return on investment during the 2017 bull run. So with that said, I do have a small allocation of my portfolio. It's less than 10% allocated to shitcoins. Now I don't really expect all of them to perform well. I think I've got around 5 or 6 different shitcoins that I'm invested in, and if one of them performs really well, like 50x, then it's great, but it's a very small allocation. I really don't suggest to have more than 10% of your cryptocurrency portfolio in shitcoins, because in the long run, even though you might hope that a certain project is going to moon, there's no guarantee for that. This brings me to my next tip, which is portfolio rebalancing, and I think this is very, very important. Now this is one strategy that I've been using quite a long time, and it has worked extremely well. And the idea behind this strategy is, as soon as a certain, mostly altcoin performs really well, as an example VeChain now with the 600% gains in the last 2-3 months, what I can do is I can take maybe a certain position out of that altcoin and put it into a more safe cryptocurrency project, such as maybe Bitcoin and ETH, and with that I can benefit from large pumps, increase my Bitcoin or ETH holdings at the same time. I think rebalancing is very important, because then you can capitalize on massive pumps which do not last. If a coin goes up maybe 200-300%, 500% like Comp token did a week ago, you know that can't be sustainable. That means you have to take some of your profits out of the market. Now the last tip I'd like to share with you is quite an interesting one. I haven't really heard anyone else talk about it. and it's called competitor hedging strategy. It's like an insurance policy for certain cryptocurrency projects, and I'm going to bring Ethereum as an example. Now I'm really looking forward to the Ethereum 2.0 update that should come, and I'm very hyped about Ethereum project. There are a lot of amazing DeFi applications and dApps running on it. However, hype and being motivated about a certain project is just not enough for me. I want to have a little bit of an insurance policy. And me personally, how I do it, in case something should go wrong with the Ethereum 2.0 update, I'm hedging against that, and I'm investing in direct competitors. And in my opinion, one of the most undervalued competitors to Ethereum at the moment is Cardano, as they've had fantastic development over the last 2 years, and now with the recent Shelly upgrade, it looks very promising. Now, I don't want to say that Ethereum is not going to work. I just want to build my portfolio up so that in the case that Ethereum 2.0 upgrade should be delayed, I've got a kind of an insurance that another project is going to perform well. So that's my competitor hedging strategy. You can use it if you want. I think being a maximalist is definitely not a good investment strategy. You should diversify your portfolio, be open-minded, and look into many different projects. Do your own research, make sure that these projects have a good team and they're releasing updates constantly. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Hope you found it useful, and yeah, I'll be sharing a lot more tips and tricks, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the next destination that I'll be filming and sharing with you. So with that said, I wish you a fantastic day. Have a good one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.